What is happening to my azaleas? Some of the leaves are yellow and spongy. What is causing this, and how do I treat this problem? This is Nita from Memphis, Tennessee. Gotten a lot of questions, especially this spring.
This time of year.
Because of this, right? This is azalea leaf galls.
Yeah.
Cool, wet spring.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
Fungal spores are in the air. You know, those fungal spores get deposited on the leaves of your azaleas, and it creates azalea leaf galls. So what do you do about that?
I don't know of any chemicals that can work for this or even to prevent it. Yeah. I had an internship, and we had to go around and pull the oak leaf galls off of all of the azaleas after they finished blooming, and then fertilize them after they finish blooming too. So
that's what you have to do. Right?
I have picked many an oak leaf gall off of azaleas, but that's just the only way that I know of to do it.
It's the only way I know. Yeah, just pull them off, because again, like you mentioned, no fungicide is needed. No. Right, just go ahead and pull them off if you can reach them. If not, they'll fall off to the ground. Pick them up because there are fungal spores there, and just deposit them, in your trash.
And that's why you collect them. It's best to not just leave them, to collect them and throw them away, because it'll just keep getting worse. If you don't.
So the azalea leaf galls, and of course, cool wet springs. Yeah. We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.